Good afternoon, everyone. And here we are gathered here for the elocution competition. The topics for today are the importance of cleanliness and the most memorable day of your life. The topics of today are Janvi ma'am, Sushila ma'am, and Swapna ma'am. I wish the participants the best of luck. And the first participant of today is Kasani Rizvik from IMT section.
A very warm welcome to teachers and students. My name is Teddy, which study in 7th grade. I am here to speak about the importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness refers to the quality of being neat and clean. This includes tidying up after ourselves and encouraging others to not litter. You must have heard a wise saying, cleanliness is next to the godliness. Cleanliness is related to spirituality. This saying shows the importance of cleanliness in a person's life and tells us that with the same devotion we pursue our religion. We should also practice cleanliness not only for the betterment of ourselves but also the betterment of society. Furthermore, we should reuse and recycle materials by following 3R's method, that is, reuse, reduce, recycle. We should also plant more and more trees to keep our environment clean. Planting trees adds to the beauty of nature. Also, it provides greenery and life to everyone. Moreover, Narendra Modi initiated cleanliness campaign in the near past. This is known by the name Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India Movement. He focused on sweeping of streets for maintaining cleanliness. In conclusion, we should maintain cleanliness. It is not single person's responsibility to maintain cleanliness, but our collective duty as inhabitants of the earth. Thank you for giving this me opportunity.
Thank you, Rizvik. Now I'd like to call upon Yashovardhan from IMT section.
Good afternoon, respected Ramu sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Yashovardhan from 7th grade. Today I am going to speak about the most memorable day in my life. The day I joined in KCC, the first time I stepped foot on campus, I felt nervous and excited. After a few days, I learned how to be disciplined and how to behave like a KCC student. The food here is delicious and nutritious, and the service is hygienic. I have so many friends who encourage me in various ways, like in education, and motivates me to do my best. Teachers here are very kind, and the Ramu sir is the most unforgettable aspect of KCC is Ramu sir and his teaching. He is an inspiration to all of us, and he always encourages us to try our best. His classes are very interesting, and he makes difficult topics to understand easy. I am so lucky to study in such a great school. The close family at KCC pushes me for the stars and motivates me to achieve my dreams. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
KCC is truly memorable for all of us. Now I'd like to call upon Sarani from IMT section.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Saruni Reddy. I am from RIMC 7th grade. Today I want to talk about something important, that is cleanliness. Cleanliness is not about looking nice. It helps us stay healthy, feel good, and keeps our surroundings beautiful. Cleanliness also helps our minds feel better. A clean and organized place helps us to relax and be more productive. First of all, cleanliness is more important. for our health. When we wash our hands and take showers and wear clean clothes, keeping our homes clean also helps us avoid allergies and infections. A clean place is safe for everyone. I would like to conclude by saying the famous quote, cleanliness is next to godliness. Together we can make the world cleaner and happier place. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very good job, Karuni. Next is Kirtana from Jhansi section.
Good afternoon everyone. Respected Ramu sir, parents and my dear friends, I am Kirtana from Jhansi section. I am studying in 5th grade. Today I want to talk about why cleanliness is important and why should we litter. Keeping our health is important. Dear friends, I am Kirtana from Jhansi section. I am studying in 5th grade. Today I want to talk about why cleanliness is important and why should not litter. Keeping things for cleanliness is important by keeping things was clean in many ways and make a good First cleanliness keeps us healthy and a clean environment means fewer diseases and a healthier life for everyone. Second cleanliness keeps us community look nice. When we should keep our streets, parks and public places are clean, everyone can enjoy them more. Now let's talk about littering.
Hey.
Littering means throwing trash can like paper, plastic and other waste on the ground. Instead of in a like trash can. Thank you for your knowledge.
Actually, I should appreciate this girl. Kirtana was a bit nervous, but I should appreciate her confidence. Till last minute she did not give up. Normally students will go back without saying anything or they feel nervous to stand in front of students, in front of audience. And audience, instead of encouraging her, you started smiling and laughing. Is that good? You should encourage your friends. You should encourage your students. Okay? Kirtana, good luck. Better luck next time. Here I want to mention two things. I know why you laughed. Latrine, you heard it. But let me tell you, 2 years back, 3 years back also, many people used to go for open defecation. You know, once when Narendra Modi took charge of it, Clean India, Swachh Bharat, he stopped it. Now even in remote villages, people they are not going for defecation. He constructed toilets. And littering is the word what she means to say. In your classes, next time you observe how many of them are littering the class by throwing the papers. Any waste should be in the trash can or the garbage bin, but not in the classrooms, in the places where we sit. Now it is each and everybody's responsibility. Check your class whether it is clean or not. Okay. Now I call the next participant, Parinaya from Chelsea.
Good afternoon, respected Ramusa parents and my dear friends. Today I want to share with you the most memorable incident in my life. Recently, my father surprised our family with a trip to Ooty. This trip was filled with beautiful moments that I will never forget it. The adventure starts with a day to travel to Ooty. As we drove, we were surrounded by breathtaking sceneries. It was wonderful journey to start our. It was a wonderful thing to start our journey. The lush green hills and the winding roads and the fresh air made our journey feel like a dream. Once we arrived in Ooty, our first visit was chocolate factory. The moment we walked in, the delicious smell of chocolate filled the air. Next our visit, that we felt like we were in chocolate wonderland. Our second visit to a tea factory. This was fascinating. We saw how tea leaves processed to tea which we drink every day. The highlight visit is Dodda Beta Peak. The cool weather at the top of the peak was a welcome change. This trip to Ooty was most memorable incident in my life. Thank you for this golden opportunity.
Call upon Kritan from section.
Respected Ramusa teachers and my dear friends, my name is Said Kritan. I am studying in 5th class. I am from Chetak section. Today I went to skis. For importance of cleanliness in our life. Cleanliness isn't just about how things look. We have to Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Ramu sir, honorable teachers and my dear friends. I am Tejas Reddy from Children's section. Today I am going to talk about the importance of the cleanliness. You can simply define cleanliness as the state or quality of living a hygienic and a healthy lifestyle, keeping our environment and ourselves clean and neat. People know that the lack of cleanliness may cause the formation of germs and can spread deadly viruses. There are multiple organizations like Swachh Bharat Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched by the Prime Minister of India on 2nd August 2014. The slogan of Country-Wise is that one step towards the cleanliness. So let's unite and take step forward as a cleaner to make our India a hygienic place. Thank you, everybody.
ప్రస్తుతానికి పాడుతున్నాం. ప్రస్తుతానికి అయితే ఫుల్ పాడు. ఓకేనా? రైట్. అపురూపమైనదమ్మ ఆడజన్మ, ఆ జన్మకు పరిపూర్ణత ఇల్లాలమ్మ. అపురూపమైనదమ్మ ఆడజన్మ, ఆ జన్మకు పరిపూర్ణత ఇల్లాలమ్మ. మగవాని ప్రభువు మగవాని కనక జీవితం జీవితం చేరగా అపురూపమైన ఆ జన్మ పరిపూర్ణ అద్భుతాలు ఒకటే సామాజికమై ప్రభుత్వం పడతి మగని మంచి కోసం పడేయాలో కఠినించగలరా మరేయాకు ఏ పూజ చేసినా ఏ సాధనో లేని త్యాగం మాయగా రూపాన్ని పొందగా ఒకే తీరుగా కలకి పంచుకోవడం రాబోగా కలకి రాని కాలం వేరేగా వీటిపోని బంధం కలైకుండగా సహధర్మచారిణి కరిగే వరమని సత్యాన్ని కనలేనాడు నిగలగ పురుషుడు అపురూపమైనదమ్మ ఆడజన్మ ఆ జన్మకు పరిపూర్ణ గతిలాలమ్మ మగవాని బ్రతుకులో మగవాను కనలిగా జీవితం సంతం చేయగా అపురూపమైనదమ్మ ఆ జన్మ పరిపూర్ణ గతిలాలమ్మ.
cleanliness is big respect for you and others. Those who be hygienic and keep public places safe. It's a big respect for others and yourself. So let's all come together and protect our environment by keeping clean in our daily lives. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Good afternoon, respected Ramu sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Emperor Reddy from this section. Today, I am telling the topic of cleanliness. Cleanliness is a human asset in our daily life. It's foundation of our health, well-being, and happiness. When we keep our surroundings clean, we can prevent spreading of diseases, reduce stress, and boost our energy levels. Cleanliness also reflects our respect for ourselves, our loved ones, and in our community. Let's make cleanliness a priority in our daily lives. Cleanliness also helps us with keeping cleanliness. We can reduce getting diseases. It is not our responsibility, but it is a privilege that we should all maintain together and maintain clean environment. To our conclusion, a clean environment is a happy and healthier environment. We should maintain our community clean and maintain cleanliness in a way of life. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Bhavanti Reddy from Prithvi section. Today I am going to talk about a simple yet important concept: cleanliness. Cleanliness is not just about keeping our things tidy. It's about safeguarding our health, respecting the communities, and cleaning the environment. Firstly, by washing our hands regularly and ensuring the proper disposal of trash, we can significantly reduce the spread of diseases. Moreover, when people understand why cleanliness matters, how it directly impacts our well-being and the quality of our surroundings, they are more likely to make better habits and contribute actively to cleanliness initiatives. Lastly, I'm going to talk about another important topic, but it is simple: the color of different dustbins and their significance. Different colored dustbins serve for different purposes. For instance, green colored dustbins are used to signify organic waste, and while blue and grey colored dustbins are used to signify recyclables like paper, plastic, and glass. This practice not only promotes recycling but also ensures that trash is disposed properly, reducing environment impact. In conclusion, cleanliness is a shared responsibility that benefits us all. We can create a healthier, respectful communities and a clean environment for the future generation. Thank you for your attention. Let's commit to make cleanliness a priority in our life and our communities. Thank you.
ఏమైనా చెప్పింది తెలుగులో ఎంత అద్భుతంగా చెప్పాడు ఆ కథ. ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఎలక్యూషన్ ఎంత బాగా చెప్పాడు. అండ్ అట్ ద ఎండ్ జస్ట్ మామూలుగా టాపిక్ చెప్పాడు కూడా వీ షుడ్ కమిట్ క్లీన్లీనెస్ and you should show commitment, and he is ready to give commitment also. Pavantesh, well done. పొద్దున్న తెలుగులో అద్భుతంగా చెప్పావు, ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చాలా బాగా చెప్పావు. పిల్లలు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో మాట్లాడుకుంటుంటారు కదా, ఆ మాటల్ని ఇలా డైవర్ట్ చేసి ఎలక్యూషన్స్కి స్పీచెస్కి ఉపయోగపడేటట్టు చేయండి. మాటలన్నీ ఫిక్స్గా ఇచ్చేయండి. ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ ఎబిలిటీ అండ్ టాలెంట్. ద నెక్స్ట్ పార్టిసిపెంట్ ఇస్ శ్రీ రామచంద్ర ఫ్రమ్ చీతా.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Ramu sir and teachers and my dear friends. I am Sri Ramachandran from Cheetah Section. Today I want to tell you about a memorable day that means a lot to me. My birthday last year on November 30th. It was happy, surrounded by closest family and friends. We started with lots of smiles, games, laughter and sharing stories. When it was time for the cake, cutting it together felt very special. When the absolute best part came, opening my presents, I got a brand new cycle that I was dreaming for so long. When I first saw it, I was full of happiness and gratitude. Thank you for listening. Good afternoon, respected Ramu sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am M. Devan from Cheetah Section. Today I am talking about the importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness means, as we all heard, cleanliness means other name is godliness, which the clean places God receives. Many people wanted to keep their houses clean, but throw their household waste into streets irresponsibly, which are harmful to the environment. If one thinks about cleanliness, it is important to understand cleanliness can be explored in many levels. If personal cleanliness is wanted, we need to make a personal hygiene like brushing your teeth twice a day, taking bath every day, and keeping your hair tidy. Personal cleanliness is very important to have a clean and healthy life. Share the same with your near and make them a good, clean and healthy life. As well, make a good example. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Respected Ramu sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is K. Babusanji Kumar. I am from Sindhuraksha section. Today I am going to tell about importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness is a very important thing in our life. Cleanliness can be improved by personal hygiene. If we maintain our personal hygiene, like brushing twice and taking bath every day, and if we clean our streets, then we can improve other cleanliness. Cleanliness is also a very important thing. Because cleanliness can protect us from getting diseases. So we should all maintain cleanliness. There are different types of bins in which we can throw our waste, such as green bin, in which we throw vegetable waste, fruits and wet materials. In the blue bin, we throw plastic, papers, etc. that are made by our hands. And there is also a red bin in which we throw hazardous harmful chemical materials and medicines that are overrated. Thank you everyone for giving this golden opportunity.
Morning to respect our officers and teachers. Good evening to every teachers. My name is Bhumika and I am in front of you to share about my most memorable day of my life. Today I am going to share the most memorable day of my life, that is when I joined in KCC. When I joined in KCC, I first met Ramu sir and I was nervous of him. The second day, I was very happy and Ramu sir was waiting for my dream to come true. So I am in front of you to share my speech to you. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.